Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrator access because enabling Windows security requires elevated permissions. Once signed in, open Start, type Windows Security, and launch the app to reach the main dashboard. This ensures you're interacting with the correct control surfaces. Make sure Windows Update is current and install any pending updates so definitions and features work properly. After that, click Virus and Threat Protection to begin enabling protections and configuring settings for real-time defense. Once in the Windows Security dashboard, go to Virus and Threat Protection and toggle Real-Time Protection and Cloud-Delivered Protection on. This allows the system to scan files and use Microsoft Cloud Intelligence. Next, enable Tamper Protection to prevent unauthorized changes, and if you handle sensitive files, enable Controlled Folder Access to block ransomware. Then navigate to Firewall and Network Protection and verify the firewall is enabled for domain, private, and public networks, so apps are properly filtered and inbound threats are reduced. To finish, run a quick scan to validate that protection is working, and follow with a full scan if anything suspicious appears. This confirms real-time settings are effective. Make sure security providers lists show Microsoft Defender Antivirus and Firewall as active. If a third-party product controls protections, Windows security may be disabled. If you can't enable features, temporarily disable third-party antivirus, reboot, and retry. If that fails, run sfc/scano and check group policy or device management settings blocking changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.